We are at Fernvale, a small country town, about 3,000 people call it home, only maybe about 50 kilometers from Brisbane, and we stopped here for a coffee. So I thought I'm going to show it to you guys what is a small Australian country town looks like, and then we continue to Wivenhoe Dam, and hopefully I can do some drone footage there. Country vibe. Look at that. Oh. Life is full of surprises. That was a very cute coffee shop. She just made this coffee so very hot I barely can hold this cup. So we stopped another spot on the way to the dam, and this is called the Twin Bridges, because there are two bridges obviously, and yeah, we just thought we have a look around here, because not very long ago this place was absolutely flooded. The water was right up to the top of the trees. I see there's still trees been pushed over and everything, so yeah, so a little bit of distance now, that big flood, but it's all these reminders are still here. We are now at Wivenhoe Dam, which supplies the whole Brisbane and Ipswich area with drinking water. So basically it's a water storage lake. There are a lot of these tables and chairs, and they have even a shady building there. Have a picnic. What an awesome place this is. So this is the spillway or release point of the Wivenhoe Dam, and normally those gates, if they open, this is full of water. It's just an incredible sight. However, right now they're not releasing any water, so it's only just like this. So this was at Wivenhoe Dam. Thank you for watching, guys, and please remember to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell as well. See you later guys in the next one. Cheers.